The pharmaceutical industry demands precision, regulatory compliance, and complete traceability at every stage of manufacturing. From raw material procurement and formulation to production, quality control, packaging, inventory, and distribution, every process must be carefully managed to ensure product safety and compliance. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline pharmaceutical manufacturing while improving efficiency, quality, and operational excellence. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From research and formulation management to procurement, batch production planning, bill of materials, inventory management, quality assurance, packaging, warehousing, and dispatch, every department works together seamlessly. This eliminates manual processes, improves collaboration, and provides complete visibility across the manufacturing lifecycle. Batch manufacturing is at the core of pharmaceutical production. PMTechERP enables efficient batch planning, production scheduling, material tracking, and electronic batch records, ensuring every product is manufactured consistently while meeting strict regulatory and quality requirements. Real-time production monitoring helps manufacturers optimize resources, reduce production delays, and improve overall productivity. Quality management is built into every stage of the process. PMTechERP supports raw material inspections, in-process quality checks, laboratory testing, non-conformance management, corrective actions, batch traceability, expiry management, and complete manufacturing documentation. Every batch can be tracked from raw material receipt to final product delivery, ensuring full accountability and customer confidence. Integrated inventory and procurement management ensure active ingredients, packaging materials, chemicals, and other critical supplies are available when needed while maintaining optimal stock levels. Automated inventory control minimizes shortages, reduces wastage, and supports efficient warehouse operations. Powerful dashboards and real-time analytics provide complete visibility into production performance, inventory levels, quality metrics, batch status, operational costs, compliance records, and business profitability. These insights help management make informed decisions, improve efficiency, and maintain complete control over pharmaceutical operations.